Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover, and we are coming from you, not live, recorded, from the middle of nowhere, Texas. We are north of Pecos, where it is windy and dirty and sandy all the time. So what are we doing today? We have an opening. Not one, but two Sipsby boxes. Because one came while I was on days off, and then the other one came a couple days ago. So I thought it would be a good idea to do them both at the same time for you. And we can take a look, see. Sipsby? I think that's how you say it. I don't know. Sipsby.com. They are a subscription tea box. I love teas, and I like getting all the different kinds of teas that either normally I wouldn't try. I'm not a very adventurous eater, and so I'm not much for trying new things. So this gives me the opportunity to try some new things without it being very expensive, and often things that I wouldn't even have available to try. And I want to say these guys are out of Austin, Texas. So kind of local to us. But this was a subscription, and the 3-month subscription is $45. $45 for three months subscription. There are always coupons out there. So if this is something you think you might want to give a try, just pop online and you'll find a million coupons. And a lot of the YouTubers have coupons too. I do not, but I want to say something crafty. Kim, I don't know. If it pops in my mind, I will put it up there. And if not, I'll put it down below in the description, because I'm pretty sure that's where I got my original coupon was from her. So let's get to the box. Here's the first one. They come in this nice smaller, it's a smallish box, smaller than a lot of the subscription boxes out there. And that's good for me in the RV, but it's a nice box. So I actually, of course, keep them. So when you open it up, you have, this one is the March tea box, and it gives a little explanation, made a special for Robin, and it gives us explanation of all the teas. When you first sign up with them, you fill out a questionnaire, and apparently I was real concerned when I got my first box. There were a couple things in there that I know I don't like, and I would have marked on the questionnaire that I didn't like. Well, apparently the questionnaire had more pages than what I filled out. So as usual, it's my own fault. And so when I called customer service, they're like, oh, well, there's a couple pages of information missing. If you finish filling out your questionnaire, we'll get you what you actually like. And they did. So this month, oh, these look good. This is the month of March now. So the first thing on here is hazelnut chocolate. Hazelnut chocolate. Oh, that smells good. Yes, hazelnut chocolate, rich, chocolatey, and nutty. That's all it says, rich, chocolatey, and nutty, by David's Tea. David's Tea. This is loose tea. So 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water, 200 degrees, steep 4 to 5 minutes. Apple, cocoa peel, artificial chocolate, hazelnut flavoring, chocolate brittle pieces, cocoa pieces, hazelnut, and stevia. So it's going to be a little bit sweet. That'll be nice. They don't say how many servings are in these things. Let me see if it says something about it on the container. Medium caffeine. 1 tea, single, 1 portion. They're saying this is 1 portion. Oh, that's because there's more of them. So there's probably 4 in here. No, there is not. There's 2. Okay, so we've got 2 portions of this. I can't wait to try this. Yum-o. And medium caffeine. Darjeeling, which is this pretty one. Choice Organics black tea, Darjeeling tea, 1 tea bag. Caffeine level is a 4, so this is going to be higher in caffeine than the other one. Sorry, the radio's busy this morning. And there's 4 of these, so we got 4 servings of this. And then it says medium caffeine on the paper, but on the actual tea bag, it has all 4 little thingies marked for caffeine. So subtle fruity notes given this organic Darjeeling tea a complex flavor and refreshing character, bright and brisk. This caffeinated tea is undeniably delicious to drink hot or cold. Ooh, that's good to know. Okay, and now we have, I cannot pronounce this. It's a green tea, organic Wakana, Amazon Guas. I'm butchering that one. That's what this one is. Some kind of green tea. Not a huge fan of green teas. High caffeine, highly caffeinated holly from Ecuador that has numerous health benefits and is great for exercising, working, and studying. It may help you remember your dreams. That's interesting. So there's 4 of these in there. So far we've got 10 servings of tea in here. Boy, help me remember my dreams. That's different. That's different. Okay, and then this is one I'm very excited about. It's so cute. Is that not darling? The Rainy Day Tea Company. Cozy Cloudy Chai is what it's called. Cozy, oh yeah. Okay, can you see the words, tiny little words coming out of the cloud? Cozy Cloudy Chai. I like that. I love their packaging, it's so cute. Rainy day tea, 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces. Does not say how much is in here. A couple servings probably. A lightly spiced chai green tea, I love chai tea, is the perfect tea to chase the clouds away, cozy and warm. This blend of cardamom, cinnamon, almond, and pistachio is delicious and unique. Oh man, this sounds wonderful. This sounds wonderful. This is the one I think I'm most excited about. Oh, I don't know, that chocolate one sounds pretty interesting too. Can I be most excited about 2 different things? Sure I can. Okay, so that is March. Oh, and with every order, with every box, you get this, which you open it up. This is so exciting. This is actually the reason I decided to try these boxes. So in here is a little disposable but reusable, somewhat reusable, for your loose tea. You put your loose tea in here, and then it has a little built-in tag. So you put your loose teas in here, and then you zip this closed, boop, 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 and you seep it like that. Isn't that awesome? And so most people that I talk to use these 2-3 times anyway before they start to kind of fall apart. And they send you a wad of them in every, I can't count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 of them in here with every box. So I need to double check. I keep saying I'm going to, and I don't. I need to double check and see if I can just buy these on their website. They do have a website. They have all kinds of, you can buy different teas. You can buy bulk teas. You can buy past teas. They have all kinds of cute little doodads and knickknacks. They've got teapots. They've got the cutest teacup that I don't need, but I really want. It's a little heart shape. It's so cute. And just all different little tea related goodies. So even if you don't want to, if you're not interested in getting the subscription box, you might want to check out their site. They've got some cool stuff on there. So that was March. So let's see what April brings us. April teas. Ooh. April teas. Made for Robin. That's me. Okay, so we for sure, here's our little bag of, our bag of bags. I'm going to combine everything into one box so that I don't have as much space taken up. What do we have here? I see a lot of green. Ooh, this is interesting. Ooh, ooh. Okay. So we have green tea, lemon, ginger, moringa, energy tea. That must be this one. Green tea, lemon, ginger, moringa, energy tea. Energize your cup of tea. Super caffeinated. That's why it's energy tea. Ingredients: moringa with dried leaves, green tea, ginger root, lemon pieces, semi-sweet fennel, natural lemon flavor, and caffeinated tea extract. This has 155 milligrams of caffeine per cup. Not recommended for children. I've never seen a warning on a tea bag before. Wow. It's the perfect coffee replacement, providing an energy boost without the jitters or the crash. Miracle Tree Organic Moringa Superfood Energy Tea. Green tea, lemon, and ginger. Well, not a fan of green tea, but apparently I didn't make that clear enough. Maybe I said sometimes I like it, because I do like the peach green tea, so who knows what I said. But lemon and ginger should overrule the green tea-ness of it. So that's interesting. And we have 4 of those. 4. So, what did we end up with? We ended up with 4, 8, 10, probably 12 servings out of the other box. Okay, so this has 4 here. And what else did we get? It's easier to grab the tea bag and then look for it on the list. Okay. Cacao tea, caffeine free. So we went from super caffeinated to caffeine free. And this is loose tea, cacao tea. 1 to 2 teaspoons per serving. Caffeine free. This cacao tea is light with a hint of chocolate. Cacao helps your body release endorphins. Ooh, providing an instant mood boost. Perfect for attracting love from the universe. Okay. Well, we can all use lots of love in our life. 1 to 2 servings per bag itself. And it said 0 caffeine, so I'm going to quit looking for that. There we go. Ingredients: cocoa shells and cocoa nibs. This is distributed out of Fort Worth, Texas. Just down the road a piece. And then we have pistachio torte. High caffeine. Pistachio torte. The many flavors within this tea are just like the layers of a torte. The combination of pistachio, marzipan, and amaretto will bring forth memories of nutty holiday treats. That sounds fabulous. Doesn't say anything about, did it say? Oh, high caffeine. Okay. Caffeinated black tea. Oh, it's got rose petals also. Okay, it does not say how many servings are in here. It says 1 teaspoon, and you can see through, there's quite a bit of tea in there. I'm guessing, based on no facts whatsoever, I'm guessing 4 servings in here. Let's say 4, just for counting's sake. And this said 1 to 2, so that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 12. We're at 12 servings so far, roughly guessing. And we've got 1 more. But wait, there's more. Ta-da-da! Don't know what this is either. Let's turn it around. Ta-da-da! Classic chai. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sample. Classic chai. Organic classic chai. Davison's organic teas. High caffeine. High caffeine. This classic chai combines organic Indian black tea with organic herbs and spices to create a potent, spicy cup of tea which lends itself well to the addition of milk and sweetener. I drink my tea black. As a rule, I drink my tea black. And I kind of grew up in the South. And to not drink sweet tea down here, boy, do I get teased for that. But I drink it black. And I used to have it sweetened, and then, you know, you start watching your calories and blah, blah, blah. And that was one of the first things to go, was the sugar in my tea. And so since I was about 15 or 16 years old, I've always drank my tea black. However, I do like a little sweet in my chai tea. I like a little sweet, and I like a little milk. So I like a little cream in my chai tea. And that's the only one that I go and put that stuff in. So looks like we got some really good, interesting choices out of this box. Yeah, all of them look really interesting. So we got the chai. See if I can do this. We got the lemon ginger green tea, the pistachio, and the cacao. So some really, really good choices. And we're thinking 4, 8, 12, 16 servings out of this box. So this one was well worth it. With my discount, I paid $10 per box on these. And this is the last box in my subscription. I am behind in drinking my teas because I drink way too much coffee. Coffee and cream. Actually, it's coffee and a protein shake. I start every morning with a protein shake in my coffee. And today is coconut. And this particular bag of shakes that I'm going through, I'm not loving, so I'll be really happy when they're gone. But I paid too much money to just chuck it, so you know how that goes. So I will muddle through till these are gone. But I do have my coffee every morning, and then throughout the day I'll have tea. I'm a huge iced tea drinker, and as it starts to get a little bit warm, we make gallons of iced tea, just plain old black red rose tea, or down here it is, I can't remember, Louisiana tea. And we just make it by the gallon. We drink about a gallon of iced tea every day. So that's it for the Sipsby box. Little heart, Sipsby. Again, this will be my last unboxing of these, because this is my last subscription box, and I won't be renewing that one. Got lots of things coming up for you guys to watch. Make sure you catch my Tuesdays, live Tuesdays, 10 o'clock Tuesday Central Time. And that's it for now. You guys stay safe. Please subscribe. Please leave a comment below. Let me know if you guys subscribe to these. Let me know what you think about your subscription, or which of these teas do you guys think sounds the most interesting. I think I'm liking the idea of the classic chai, but those cocoa ones sound good too. It's hard to decide. Anyway, we'll see y'all later. I hope I didn't forget anything. Thank you for joining me. Thanks for sticking with me through all of this time, and welcome to my new members. See y'all later. Bye-bye.